Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could check them out. Link is gonna be down below where you can get one of these at a low cost and get this massive free shipping. Especially now, I think Amazon is doing the 1-day shipping. You have here. Might be a two-parter. Yep. Alright. Here we go, guys. TECKIN. Not the video game TECKIN, but TECKIN. Really cool. Definitely been curious about these. LED smart bulbs. Alexa and Google Assistant. PCS. Wi-Fi Connect.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Oh, not yet. You won't. App control, voice control, intelligent dimming, set timers. Definitely excited for this. So I mean, the other ones are pretty pricey, but I do believe this is a really good deal they have going on right now. All you gotta do is click the link down below. Oh man, I open these. So it's really cool. Home gadgets. Instead of changing your light bulbs every so often, change it different colors like parties, holidays. So we're gonna do a full test. I'm gonna set this up downstairs. Got a perfect spot for these light bulbs, or I could use them and run the apps and everything for it. So there it is, and this is what you get right now. So, oh, nice. You got a 4-pack. Really cool. So I do got 3 bulbs I could put. Come on. Let's see how these are. There's the manual it comes with. I'll look into that once I set it up downstairs. A little bit heavier than a normal size light bulb, but definitely looks pretty good. Lens are nothing damaged, so that's a really awesome, good thing. And that's it. I'm gonna go, like I said, go downstairs, set this up, and figure it out for a minute. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with the TECKIN LED smart bulb set. Comes with 4 of them. 4 bulbs that I showed you guys in the unboxing, and I finally set it up. I'm only showing 2 of them. The other 2 I haven't found a spot for them yet, but really cool setup. Once you get everything going, you just got to download the Smart Life app. Really easy to set up. This pops up. Then you just go to the plus mode, and then smart lighting. You pick the first bulb right there, and then it's going to tell you to do some steps. Really easy to do, especially for the first time. If you do miss it, they give you, say if you forgot your Wi-Fi password, which I did, so I had to go redo it, and pretty easy to set up. So there's the lights. You just got to turn it off for like 10 seconds. Then you got to flip it on and off really fast for about, I don't know, 10 seconds or so, and then hit this button to confirm indicator right, and your lights will start flashing. That's when you hit it, and they'll pop up the Wi-Fi connection, and I'll show you what it does. So I changed the name. You could group it, so if you have like the 4, because I think you could do 4 set up together, but I just couldn't somehow get it. But so I just did each one separately. So that's why I already did 2 right now. But here it is. Smart bulb. Number 1, number 2. Really cool. Got them hooked up top right there to the tippy top. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh. They're right there. So we're going to turn the light on. But you can have lights on and off. There you go. They're super bright. And here's the app. Here we go. So, light bulb is on. And there's scene mode, white mode. You can make it as bright as you want. So you can get it bright. Shut it on. That's for that side is off. Turn it on. Off. You can always tell Alexa or Google, you can change the colors. There's different like scenes. Color red, green, leisure, just like a solid, like almost like a blue. And then scene mode, you can set the timers. Okay, that's blue. There we go. See? Then you can adjust the colors. Off, on. Or you want to choose scene, leisure. Just like the other ones, match it up. So really cool for like house parties, movie nights. Just relax to these. There's green, night. You got different colors, 2 different color bulbs. I'm not sure what the lifetime is on these, but I think they're pretty good. So definitely check back on their website. Like I said, all the links will be down below listed. Where you can get one of these too. But definitely something cool for the new technology coming out. But like I said before, I definitely want to get it into these. You don't have to worry about these exploding on you. So definitely really cool to pick up. And I'm pretty sure that it lasts long. So, but boom, shut it off, on, off, on. So I'm really happy. And like I said, you could just say, Alexa, turn on whatever you set it to, like bedroom light 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. And you could group them all together and sync it all with your Alexa or your Google Assistant. Android and iOS ready. So all you guys got to do is download the app and have some fun with it. So YouTubers, check them out. TECKIN and down on Amazon Prime. Links will be down below. You guys have a great one. I'll see you guys in a minute with another video. See ya.